काल तो व्हिडिओचो टायमींग जेन्ना हांव भितर वता तेन्ना येता तेन्ना कांय गजाली क्वेश्चनेबल जाता. द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ दॅट व्हिडिओ, credibility of that video, timing of that video, and source of that second video has to be probed as much as I am being probed for the source of the first videos. BJP जो washing machine झालो तो video to clean up the image of BJP, I don't know, it is for people to judge and decide that part of it. Video clear cut दिसता second video. He is wearing glasses and he is reading it, and I think everything has to be probed as far as this entire second video is concerned. पळय जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणटा आमी सिद्दीकीक 2 ते 3 दिसां पयलीं अरेस्ट केल्लो, SP म्हणटा 2 दीस, मागीर म्हणटा 3 दीस, मागीर DGP म्हणटा 2 दीस 3 दीस, तेन्ना हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना. जर सिद्दीकी वॉज इन कस्टडी ऑफ पुलीस फॉर लास्ट 3 or 4 days, एक तर तो व्हिडिओ येवंक जाय आशिल्लो 3 दिसां पयलीं, नाजाल्यार तो काल जर आयला आनी टायमींग परफेक्टली कोइन्सायडींग विथ माय एंट्री टू पुलीस स्टेशन, which means something was being framed up, cooked up, a made up video has been brought out to clean the image of Bharatiya Janata Party.